Hi everyone, this is Rebeka from MileageWise. In this video, I'll guide you through the features to edit your trips in the MileageWise app. Whether you need to modify, rearrange or delete trips, or set up automatic trip classification, these features make sure managing your mileage log is easy and efficient. To edit a trip, tap on the arrival point in your daily list. This brings up a pop-up menu with several editing options. With the Display Daily Route, you'll have an overview of the entire day's visits on a map to check for accuracy or confirm locations. If you need to add a forgotten stop, you can do it here with just a few taps. The next option is to modify the trip and the client. Tap on the arrival point and choose your next action. If you want to change the destination of the trip without altering the client or location in your database, choose a different client or location as the arrival point. However, if you want to change the details of a client and apply these changes to all future trips without affecting past entries, choose Modify this client or location. You may also transfer or copy your trips. Move or duplicate a trip to another date, to another vehicle, or both. This is extremely helpful if you accidentally chose the wrong vehicle in the app or if you have recurring trips. There's a separate feature that identifies trips to new clients and prompts you to classify them. This way, you only need to classify the destination once, and the app will recognize it later. You'll find this in the Revise menu at the bottom of the screen. Here's how it works. Review your recently added trips and change the details if needed. Once confirmed, the app will automatically classify future visits to this location. To save time, you can press Confirm All on the top of the screen to approve all trips at once. For quick adjustments, you can just drag and drop your trips. Or swipe the arrow to the left to reveal a delete button. Tap on the daily header to access additional options for the entire day. You can see all trips of the day displayed on a map, or add a starting point to your day. You may also transfer or copy the entire day to another date, to another vehicle, or both. If you want to generate your report for the month, tap on the printer icon in the monthly summarizer box. To ensure your mileage log is 100% accurate and IRS compliant, MileageWise features a built-in IRS Auditor. This smart tool checks for discrepancies, missing trips, and other potential issues. Once your log passes the inspection, your IRS-proof document is ready to be downloaded. That's all for today. With these tools, you'll have full control over your mileage log, and you can make sure that it's accurate, organized, and ready for tax season. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. For more insights, visit our blog and help center. See you next time!